We're propagating, moving, and shaking. Let's go, baby. Let's get that going on. All right, all right. Here we go. Gonna take the jacket off because I'm getting ready for another episode of Power Play Doubles. Doubles, here we go. Yo, what's up? Are we live? 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 Mic check. All right, we're live. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Are we on the X? Are we on the X? Are we on the X? Doubles. Are we? We're live. All right, let's get a share party going on. Yo, what's up? What's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house with the one, the only, the indelible one. DBL Nick's in the house, a.k.a. the Rainmaker, baby. The Rainmaker. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. And, of course, we got the secret weapon, the one and only, the ABCD specialist, the Serengeti specialist, DBL Moms. All right, now it's a show. Now it's official. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and subscribe at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, and we're also on X.com, a.k.a. Twitter, at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, and of course, Facebook, Instagram, and Threads, at Coach Nick Money. Live streaming on Twitch, at Coach Nick Money. And we're also on TikTok, tiki-taki, or as Doubles likes to call it, the tac-tac. The tac-tac. Doubles, the tac-tac. The tac-tac. All right. And that's at DBL Nicks. At DBL Nicks, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And of course, if you'd like to come and join us in the Discord, the link is in the description and in the pinned comments. But we're going to be sharing one of our scanners from the Discord on the screen so you could see the market movers. And if you're new to Power Play, just to bring you up to speed so you know what the show is about, what we do is basically we realize, listen, the volume is going to be quiet just before Power Hour. Power Hour starts at 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's now 1:33 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we're going to decompress from the morning trading. Today was a little slow, but you know what? It just takes one, Doubles. Yeah. It just takes one. Isn't that a song? It takes one, or is it takes two? It takes one to make the thing go right. I'm changing the lyrics, bro. I'm changing the lyrics, bro. It takes one to make the thing go right. Isn't that the lyrics, Ma? It takes two to make the thing go right. No, I don't need two. I just need one. Okay. I need one parabolic corner. Just one. Just one. Right, I want to change the words. What, tell me what the words are. It takes one to make it go right. Thank you very much. That's right. That's right. It just takes one. So today, SMX ran like over 100%. The stock's like $100 plus. So I didn't trade it, but man, it was parabolic, man. This thing's been going up and up and up for days. Doubles for days, I tell you. It's been going up for days. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. It's been moving up for days. Anyway, kind of expensive, but it was quite parabolic. Yeah. Trade options wants. Could you help me understand the QQQ chart? Doesn't look like it's just going to continue to go up. I bought some like options that ended today. I just need to know if there is an indicator that shows. Well, let's take a look at QQQ. Let's see if I can pull it up. Let's see. QQQ. All right, so it's trending upward, but you can see on the RSI that there's indecisiveness with buyers and sellers because it's in a neutral position. So if the price action would move further up, this would be more of a bullish pattern. If it goes further down, that's more of a bearish pattern. Again, indicators are good, but they're not foolproof, right? You could see that there's bursts of activities, and then obviously when the market is closed, this particular I guess it's an ETF, cuts off, right? So that's pretty much where it's at. So the RSI would be something that you could take a look at. Some people also use the MACD, which is the moving average convergence divergence, okay? If the MACD crosses over or starts to cross over the control EMA, that's also a signal that it's going to be bullish. If it's crossing underneath the control EMA, it's bearish. So that's another tool that people like to use. Some people also like to use Bollinger Bands especially on the 5-minute. So if the upper Bollinger Band is getting crossed over, that's usually an indication of overextension. If it pulls back down to, like, let's say a 9 EMA and holds an EMA, that could be an indication of a reversal. So these are some of the tools that I would use to do some trading if I were trading this type of stock. It's not in my wheelhouse, but those were some of the tools that I would be using if I were trading this type of stuff. Now, that being said, I'm not a stock or financial advisor, so obviously do your own diligence, but those are just some of the things that you might want to check out. All right, so there we have it. All right, folks, let's go and take a look at some other stonks before we get started with trying to get a dub. So back to what I was saying. I think I mentioned what power play is, right? We basically decompress with playing some Fortnite. And then while we're waiting for power hour, we start to review some of the stocks that are market movers in power hour, right? Right? That's basically how it works, right? That's what we're doing. My pleasure, man. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Hopefully that'll be helpful for you, man. Hope you enjoy the show. All right, let's see. Let's take a look at a couple of stocks before we go in for another match, right? And that's going to be, the play portion of it. So we're going to play Fortnite as the play portion of it, decompress, chill, let the stocks marinate a little bit, put a little seasoning, a little oregano, a little garlic powder. You know what I mean? If you want to put some cumin on it, you could even put some cumin on it. I don't know. I don't know how to cook, yo.
On a chimichanga, it works.
Chimichanga?
Chimichanga.
Chimichanga? I mean, we could make it like an international dish, bro. Why not? Why not? There's no rules, right?
Call us Mr. Worldwide.
I mean, Mr. Worldwide on the stocks, bro. I'm just saying.
Exactly.
So we're going to take a look at PLRZ. It ran parabolic in the morning and then kind of sold off. So let's go check it out. PLRZ. You could see that there was a significant resistance areas from yesterday because this is a multi-day runner, PLRZ, right? It ran pretty strong. So let's get rid of some of these old drawings on PLRZ. And let's stretch this out a little bit so we can take a look at what's going on. So let's look at this. What you basically had was price spikes over here. It retracted price to the 9 EMA, 5-minute. A lot of times that is a base that a lot of traders will look for. Does it pull back to the 9 EMA and does it hold at the 9 EMA on the 5-minute chart? It did. It consolidated a lot. It tried to break out again, and then it came to this level, which now that's the new resistance area. So let's go ahead and put a trend line there by activating the graffiti pencil. The graffiti pencil, right? And then what it did was it formed a double top here, and there goes the sell-off. It tried to recover, hit resistance at the VWAP. Again, if you're below VWAP, VWAP is your resistance. If you're above VWAP, it's your support. It couldn't hold the support above the VWAP, and it sold off again. So now the 9 EMA is below the VWAP, which makes this a bearish type of situation. And we could see that there's a lack of enthusiasm by either buyers or sellers because the RSI is smack in the middle. And then in addition to that, there's a lack of volume. Again, all understandable due to the fact that we are at 1:39 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and there's still quite a long time, an hour and 21 minutes before power hour actually starts. So let's get a share party going on. Let's share it up, share it up, share it up. Let's get to 100 people. We're at 75 people. Let's get to 100. Let's go for 200. We'll go for the dub after that. And we'll let some of these stonks simmer. Simmer on high heat. Can something simmer on high heat, Doubles?
Yeah.
Or yeah? I thought simmer is like low heat.
Actually, no.
I don't know.
It can only simmer on low heat.
It could only simmer on low heat.
But the heat is originally high.
But I want it to simmer on high heat if the stock's not moving, Doubles. I'm making my own rules, Doubles. I'm doing what I want. I'm doing what I want. It's going to simmer on high heat. That's it. That's it, Doubles. That's it.
As long as you don't destroy it,
Doubles. Don't give me problem. I live on the 5th floor. That's it. I'm not on the 3rd floor. Not on floor 3.
That's not me, baby.
That's not me, baby. Come on now. That's not me. Who was that? Who was that? That comedian. Who was this?
That was
Rashad. Rashid. It was Rashid. Yeah, look at that. All right, we're looking at ANPA. All right. Okay. Moving on low volume. Up 76%. It is a 2 million float stock that moved on 31,000 shares. It formed the beginnings of a potential cup and handle, but you can see that the RSI is overbought, and there's a lot of volume spike over here, but again, not a lot of volume actually moving it. So this is a potential flush risk, but we're going to make an acknowledgement that it did move up 88%, and it is on the scanner, so we're going to keep an eye on it. We looked at PLRZ, we looked at SMX, we now looked at ANPA. Now let's look at SNCR. This is a 9 million float stock. This is basically some kind of a merger, so we're not even going to pay attention to this one. Let's go to the next ticker. Let's go to PMCB. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 200. Let's get to 200. So the situation with this particular stock, there's no particular news that we could see with PMCB, but it is currently up 59%, and they're expecting earnings in about a little less than 2 weeks. On December 16th, there's earnings. RSI, for the most part, is kind of centralized. It's trying to pull up to be more bullish, but it's still indecisive. Volume obviously decreasing since we're waiting for power hour to come in, but we have formed a descending wedge bull reversal with the 9 EMA stacked above the VWAP. There's just not a lot of volume on the stock. Okay, I like the float on it. The float is 6 million. And it does have it's had quite a bit of volume throughout the day. It's at 85 million, but right at this moment, there's no volume. You could see that the volume candles were mostly during the earlier part of the day. So what we're looking at over here is a potential breakout from a descending wedge bull reversal pattern. Let's go ahead and get the graffiti pencil activated, and you can see what I'm talking about. So it could be right over here. You can take a look here, and here is where your descending wedge is, right over there. And you can see the breakout is right here. Now, what's a little concerning is a couple of things. Number one, the 9 EMA is starting to separate from the VWAP, and there's a bit of a lag. We don't see the VWAP curling up and trying to keep pace with the 9 EMA. The 9 EMA is a shorter wavelength indicator, so it's always going to move faster, either up or down. But when you see that the VWAP is not keeping up with it, a lot of times that's an indication that there's going to be a great separation between the 9 EMA and the VWAP, and what will often happen is you'll see a pullback. So this could potentially become an irregular double top, with the first top being over here and another top being over here. Now, the other component is the price action could potentially keep moving up. You see this happen quite a bit as well. Price action could keep moving up to where there was significant resistance right over here, and it could potentially have problems breaking through this area, especially since we don't have power hour yet and we don't have a lot of volume. So what could end up happening is this breakout from a descending wedge bull reversal could potentially become a cup and handle pattern where the price action hits the resistance area and starts to basically consolidate, and hopefully volume will eventually come in as we get closer to power hour, and then we have a breakout. So that's also another possibility. But the fact of the matter is there's not a lot of volume right now, and that's to be expected. So we'll keep an eye on PMCB. It really didn't run as strongly as other stocks did earlier. In fact, nothing really ran terribly strong today, to be quite honest with you. But hopefully it will run. Does it have news, PMCB? Does PMCB have news? Let's see if it has news. Check it out. Check it out. PMCB. News or no news? News or no news? Come on now. Load it up. Load it up. What's up with the computer? The computer's not loading? Let's see. Let's see. There was news when? When was the news? There was news on the 25th. Trading higher after the company announced monetization of its stake, and no recent news. So it's moving on, no news. So that's another concern with PMCB. But we do have what looks like a breakout from a descending wedge bull reversal. We do have the 9 EMA above the VWAP. That's a bullish pattern. We'll see what happens. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 200.
200. Yes, sir.
QCLS ran yesterday a little bit. So let's take a look at QCLS. QCLS, let's go. Let's go. Come on, man. Load it up. Load it up. Come on now. Come on now. Come on, chart. Load up. Load up, chart. What the heck? I hate when a chart gets stuck like that, Doubles. All right, so what's going on with this particular stock? Let's take a look at the custom scanner from the Discord. Again, if you'd like to gain access to the Discord and get access to all the scanners as well as the early watch list and things of that nature, go ahead and click the link in the description and in the pinned comment, and you can do a 4-day trial for $9.99. So go ahead and check that out. Let's take a look at this custom scanner that we're showing to you from the Discord on the left side of the screen, and let's take a look at what the status is with QCLS. One of the beautiful things about the scanner is it also gives you the float in addition to the volume, so you can determine what the ratio of volume to float is. Your volume is how many shares are exchanging hands. Your float is how many shares are available to be traded by the public. And we could see that there is a 20-to-1 ratio volume over float, 80 million volume, float 4 million. So that's a nice ratio that's in favor of a bullish type of perspective. But here's the thing. All of this primarily happened earlier in the day, and you could see that there's a drop in the volume right now. Again, very understandable. The question is, will volume come into this stock during power hour when customarily more volume does come in? Let's get a share party. Let's get to 200, 300. Let's go to 400 because I'm busting out the moves, baby. Woo! Yes, let's go. Busting out the moves. You didn't go da-da-da-da, bro. I go da-da-da-da, you go da-da-da-da-da. I go da-da-da-da-da, you go da-da-da-da-da.
What?
DBL moms, will you talk to your son? He's being mean to me. He's upsetting me.
Confusion.
He's upsetting me. I'm upsetty spaghetti, yo. Come on, man. Come on. I'm trying to get a beat going, and you're just not. You're not working with me on this. You're just not, bruh. Bruh. I'm just gonna get my graffiti pencil and start drawing, bruh. All right, so let's see what's going on with QCLS. QCLS is forming a bull pennant. The price action is stacked very close between the VWAP and the 9 EMA. We could show that by just expanding it. You could see that the 9 EMA is just above the VWAP. That is a bullish type of a pattern. So we're going to give this a bull pennant. We could see that the RSI is trying to move away from the midsection of its area, this area right here. And as it moves further up, that's going to be a bullish signal as well. We don't have validation from the volume candles just yet, but we do have a stacking of the 9 EMA and the price action above the VWAP. It is in a bull pennant, okay? Now let's see if we could check out what the situation is, if it has any news. QCLS, let's check it out. We like the volume picture to float scenario. 80 million volume, 4 million float, 20-to-1 float to volume. CCCF is asking about QCLS. Perfect timing. We're talking about it right now as we speak. So we're going to check and see if that stock has any news. Let's see what's going on. On December 4th, there was some news. What does it say? Some kind of a what? Takes position. Martin Shkreli takes position in QCLS, leveraging Microsoft's optical computing roadmap for what? For what?
Bull case.
Bull case. Okay. All right. Whatever. I don't know what that means. I don't know what it means. But it's got itself in a bull pennant. It's in a bull pennant. The 9 EMA is stacked above the VWAP. The price action's above the 9 EMA. And the RSI is showing a bullish type of pattern. So that's the situation with this particular ticker. This ran yesterday a little bit, and it's running again today. It's in a bull pennant. Remember, a lot of times we put these on high heat, and let it simmer a little bit. I know you're not supposed to put something on a high heat and let it simmer, but that's how I do it. Because I like to sear my stocks a little bit and then toss them on the other side and put some Kikkoman sauce on it. You know what I mean? Kikkoman, man. DBL Moms knows what I'm talking about. That Kikkoman. That Kikkoman sauce, You got to cook them a little bit. Let them simmer. High heat. And hopefully it'll break out. Let's give it a little Fibonacci retracement too. That's like a garnish, bro. Put a little garnish on this fella. Come on now. Right there. Bada binga. Like that. Double C. So it's above the support line of the Fibonacci retracement. Resistance would be, if it breaks out of this pennant, resistance would be at around 7.25, and then probably like around 750. And then we got some room up here all the way up to 830. So hopefully the volume will continue to come in. We don't see a heck of a lot of volume. RSI is bullish at this point. So it's moving on light volume again. Power hour is still an hour and 10 minutes away. So this does have a bull pennant. We're going to keep an eye on this fella. DBL Moms, keep an eye on this fella. QCLS. Yes, sir. All right, that's the situation. Let's go to ABLV. Why not? ABLV. Why not? Oh, no. Doubles. This is an inverted cup and handle. So here is your cup and handle. And it's like I drank my coffee and I didn't like it and I turned it upside down because it tasted bitter. Speaking of coffee, DBL Moms, I'm going to give you 20 eyelashes, okay? Because you forgot my coffee again. DBL Moms. I know. I do have some schmexy eyelashes. I do. I tell you. Yeah, I need some cafe. I need some tierra cubana, baby. Come on now. Let's go, baby. All right. So anyway, this is an inverted cup and handle. This is a no bueno type of signal because this is oftentimes a bearish type of pattern. So I'm gonna get my little graffiti pencil activated over here and put a brush so we can see it. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Right there. All right, here we go. So it's doing one of these joints. I don't like that color. I don't like that color. It needs something that stands out, something that pops. Pop, 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 pop. So this is not what we want, doubles. You know what I mean? We don't want an inverted cup and handle. This is the opposite of a cup and handle. A cup and handle is a bull pattern, a bull pattern, a bull pattern. An inverted cup and handle is a bear pattern. So that could potentially be a signal that the price action is going to do a Flushosaurus Rex. We could see that that's a technical term of art, by the way.
What is
a Flushosaurus Rex, bro.
Flushosaurus Rex?
A Flushosaurus Rex, baby. Come on now. Come on now. Now, here's the deal. A couple of other signals that are indicative that the price action could go Flushosaurus Rex. The price action is under VWAP. The 9 EMA is not stacked above the VWAP. It is a shorter wavelength type of a moving average. It is more reactive. It's underneath the VWAP, which makes it even more bearish. And to boot, the price action is below the 9 EMA. We also can take a look at the RSI, and the RSI is moving towards no man land where it is oversold. So you have a lot of indicators in here that are showing us that this is potentially going to flush. And we could see that the last candle is starting to get bigger and bigger on the 5-minute chart. So hopefully I'm wrong, but I don't think I'm wrong. And that would really Stinkosaurus Rex. You know what I mean? That's another term of art.
A Stinkosaurus Rex?
A Flushosaurus Rex and a Stinkosaurus Rex comes right after it. Yeah, what's going on? Are we spinning over there? Are we not working? What's going on? It is? Come on now. Come on now. Let's get a share party. Let's share it up. Let's share it up. Share it up, share it up, share it up. So that's the situation with ABLV. Let's take a look at STAI. It moved earlier in the morning. STAI moved earlier in the morning. And right now, you can see it's forming a cup and handle type of a situation on very light volume. But what kind of disturbs me is a lot of these top tails doubles. And you know how I feel about them stinking top tails. I don't like them. I want my bottom tails. Bottom tail, bottom tail. Oh, bottom tail, where you at? Bottom, bottom, bottom tail. Double bottoms are even better. I'm just saying. I should stop stinging, right, bro?
No, you're fine.
It's okay. It's like a jingle, bro. It's like a, jingle.
Happy Jingle Balls.
Captain Jingle Balls. It's almost...
Captain Jingle Balls. I said Happy Jingle Balls.
Oh, Captain Jingle Balls.
Happy Jingle Balls, not Captain Jingle Balls.
I got my headset on. I can't hear you, doubles. Come on, doubles. Come on. Come on.
What is happening?
This show is degracing.
Degrading?
No, degracing. I don't know. I'm making up all my words. I can't even get a cup of coffee. Instead, I get an upside down cup and handle. Come on now. Come on now. All right. So let's go back. Let's go back to QCLS, see what's going on with that ticker. Because, I mean, at least it had a panic going on, you know? Today's been like a very slow day. But there's been some opportunities, but they're like far and few in between. And I had to like lock them up real quick, you know? Like that. I don't like trading like that. I like when there's action, baby. Action. So we'll do a little bit of conversation about how these stocks move and different patterns and how I read them and stuff like that. You guys can chat it up, put messages in the chat. Let me know if you want me to go over any particular stocks, if you want me to go over any particular concepts on how I trade, you know, and let me know how you trade. I'd like to hear it. You know, again, this is not stock or financial advice. We're just chilling. I'm going to have some coffee pretty soon, even though I had to give 20 eyelashes to DBL Moms. 20 eyelashes. I would never give her lashes. She's my betrothed, my beloved one.
20.
But 20 eyelashes, I could give her that, right? And the eye roll. That's that's kind of like a cube of sugar, you know, into the coffee. The eye roll. A cube of sugar. I don't know. It sounds good, bro. Leave me alone, bro. Come on, bro. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 300. Let's get to 300. Let me take a look at a couple more stocks before we get into the game. Let's see. PLRZ. PLRZ, no bueno. PLRZ, no bueno. SMX, expensivo. it is trending upward, right? But look, it's pulling back. And if we spread it out a little bit, it looks a little bit like a head and shoulders pattern, doubles, and that's a bearish pattern. Needs to hold the VWAP. It already started to pull back a little, right? This is your head. I already gave you a shoulder. There goes the other shoulder. We want it to hold this VWAP, so we'll put a nice big green candle where the VWAP's at. Hopefully, it'll stay above the VWAP. For those of you that are trading this monster is about $100. $100, but we can see that the RSI is dipping. We can see that volume is also dipping. So a major issue is going to be, will it hold the VWAP? So that's SMKX. Wait a minute. Don't go away. Don't go anywhere. Stay there. Take it easy. I'm just talking to the peoples. Let's take a look at SNCR again. I think that was a merger, right? Something like that. Some kind of a merger. Yeah, that's a merger. No bueno. ANPA, low volume. PMI. Maybe a cup and handle. Maybe. But it is a 66 million float stock with only 24 million in volume. PMCB. Broke out of that pennant, that descending wedge, right? Bull reversal pennant. Yes. But right now it's forming what looks like a double top, and that's no bueno because that could be a Flushosaurus Rex. So this is old news. Let's get rid of the descending wedge because that's already happened. So now the question is, will it hold the VWAP? Hopefully it will. But it does look like it's forming what appears to be a double top, doubles, and we don't like the doggone double tops. We don't like that. So let's go back to QCLS because that was the one that had the bull pennant. QCLS, it's also a 4 million float stock. And we said the last time we looked at it that there was 80 million in volume. 2 million just came back in on this particular stonk, doubles. You know what I mean? Just came in. You know what I mean? So it could be that there's more eyes on this particular stonk. Let's go ahead and move this over here. Let's go ahead and do this so that we can give it a couple of more areas of potential resistance. So once it breaks this upper band, if it does, your next resistance area would be potentially 7.25. And then, of course, the next one would be all the way here at around $8. So we'll see what's going on. This particular one looks like it could be Shamaxi, up 48%, but it certainly needs some volume. Let's get a share party. Let's go to 400.
Yes, 400.
No, 420, bro. For the memes, bro.
Yes.
For the memes. Why not? By the way, doubles, you never explained to me why 420 is for the memes. Why is it for the memes, doubles? You never explained that to me. You want to explain yourself, son?
Nope.
Oh, okay. Well, it's not like you're a teenager or nothing. So go ahead, tell me. Why is it for the memes?
Hey.
No? Not on stream? After stream? Tell me after stream.
You already know after stream. You already know.
I already know. No, I wouldn't ask you if I knew.
Yes, you do.
I don't.
Yes, you do.
I don't.
Yes, you do.
I don't, darn it.
It's a certain herb.
Oh, for the cooking. I got you. You put it in the tomato sauce. I got it.
No,
that would make for a real fun Sunday, huh? Hello. All right, let's go and get ourselves in there. Let's go ahead and get a dub for the community while this cooks a little bit. We'll keep an eye on QCLS. Why not? Hopefully something else will come up and pop up as well, right?
It'll be something baked, all right. It just won't be in the oven.
Oh my. You know, HYNE also started running. I think that was an IPO that happened earlier today. So it pushed up and then it kind of pulled back down. It's currently up 35%. So that was an IPO that popped up earlier in the day. Let's get that share party going on. Let's get to 420 and then 500. Ladies and gentlemen, subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Dick Money. You can also go ahead and follow us on x.com, aka Twitter, at Coach Dick Money. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, everything and anything having to do with financial news, and of course, Monday through Friday, pre-market, regular hours, and after hours. Nobody does it better when it comes to small caps and micro cap stocks, everything having to do with either technical analysis, news, press releases, and much, much more. So that's on x.com, at Coach Dick Money.
At Coach Dick Money.
At Coach Dick Money. And of course, we're on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Dick Money.
Coach Dick Money.
And of course, you can also follow us on Tiki Taki at DBLNix, at DBLNICKS, and of course we live stream on Twitch as well at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And of course, if you want to join the Discord community and gain access to all the wonderful tools that we have, as well as all the educational content that we have, go ahead and click the link in the description or the pinned comment to take advantage of a 4-day trial for $9.95. Doubles, they got rid of the surfing mechanics. They got the bus back, bro.
Got the Band-Aid on it.
They got the bus back, bruh. Bruh. Where do I want to go, Doubles? I don't even know where I want to go, bro. I don't know. Here, I want to go to Riptide. I don't know where I want to go. Actually, you know what? No, I don't want to do that. I'm gonna go right over here, whatever this thing is. What is this? Inner Loop Lab? I don't think I ever made it to Inner Loop Lab, Doubles. You know? I don't think so. I don't think so, bro. I don't think so. Oh, yeah, we've made it here. We've made it here. Yeah. I've been here. In Endgame. Yeah. It's so weird playing the game now without the surfboard because, I don't know. It's just weird, bro. It's just weird, bro. Bruh. It's different. It just hits different, bruh. All right. Give me that gun. Give me that. There we go. Where we going? Let's get this thing over here. We want this thing too. Why not? We got an enemy up there. I got no mats. Why am I pushing? I have no idea. Ow, dude, why did I do that?
I don't know why.
I don't know why I did that, bro. I don't know.
Captain Count.
I don't know why I did that. He had a pump and I didn't, bro.
He had a gun, you didn't.
Yeah, I should have just left, bro. I should have left. I didn't have the right gun. I played it poorly.
Yeah, you gotta,
I played it poorly. We're gonna get back into it right now. That didn't count. That's like a warm-up, Doubles.
That was a warm-up.
That's a warm-up to the warm-up.
Yeah.
But I have to blame DBL Moms because she didn't get me any coffee, Doubles.
Coffee.
I need my coffee. It makes me sharper. It makes me more like a tack, I tell you. Like a tic-tac. All right, PLRZ moving up ever so slightly, 96% after a major pullback. Big runner for 2 days, PLRZ. Let's check it out while we're waiting. But you can see it is still a cup and handle, inverted cup and handle pattern. That is a bearish pattern. We don't like it. So this one has the same type of a problem as the other ticker that we looked at with the inverted cup and handle, PMCB trending upward. Resistance right over here needs to hold support right there. Double top potential if it doesn't get enough volume to break out. So 133 is going to be a key resistance area. And my betrothed, my beloved little Serengeti specialist, the one and only DBL Moms, just got coffee for the coach. I love that woman. She is the best. Ain't she awesome with her videos too? She's like perky. She's very perky. She's perky.
Very thoughtful.
You're very perky, DBL Moms. You're very perky. Why am I gonna land, bro? I'm not used to this bus thing anymore. All right, let's go there, bro. Why not? Let's go there. Why not? All right, here we go. Let's get a share party going on. Let's get to 500. SMX dropped quite a bit. It was up well over $100. It was up well over 100%. Now currently up 69%. It's the stock percentage, DBL Moms. Chill out, okay? Relax, okay? Okay, calm down. You know what? I'm gonna go to this mountain lodge, bro. I'm just feeling it, bro.
Be like a mountain man.
Yeah, I'm just feeling it, bro. I'm just feeling like the cool, fresh air of the mountain, you know? Like that, bro. I don't mind the mountains, bro. I just don't like cold air. I don't like coldness, bro. Ooh, somebody's here, bro. Bro, there's somebody here, bro. Bro, where they at? Come on. I'm not going down there, I'll tell you that much. I don't have a shotty. Oh, my. Come on. Come on, fella. I don't have a lot of... You know what? I'm going. I'm going, bro. Woo! Little risque, doubles. Little risque, brother.
Oh, risque.
Little risque, bro, but it worked out. Holy Toledo, bro. Holy Toledo, teammates. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Little axe action never hurt nobody. Come on now. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Woo. Woo. Feelings.
Stealing.
I hurt his feelings. Why not? Why not? Let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Woohoo! Oh my, bless you, my son. Bless you, my little bumpkin. My little bumpkin. There's somebody here, bro. Oh no, there's more people here, bro! Come on, leave me alone!
What is going on?
What is this? I don't understand. I don't understand what's going on. Nobody likes me. Leave me alone.
Thank you.
Leave the coach alone. I tell you.
I think they like you a little too much. I think that's the problem.
I think they think I'm juicy. They want some of this. I'm not going to give it to them.
Thick with 2 C's.
Doubles. I'm like, where are the loot? Where is the loot, bro? Where is the loot? I need loot. I need heals, bro. Yo, good thing I had mobility, bro. Man, I got myself shellacked. Doubles, I got shellacked, bro. Shellack-a-lackin', bro. You know what I mean? Woo, woo. Serves me right for being kind of aggressive with that poor fella. Right, Doubles? Why is it not letting me in? Let me in! Let me in, I tell you. Ooh, ooh, doubles, ooh. Doubles! Holy moly, doubles. Let's get that share party. Let's get to 500.
Body.
500. Why not? Why not, doubles? Oh, there's more shooting over here, doubles. Where's the shooting going at? I should mind my business, bruh. I should mind my beeswax, but that's not my style, fella. Nah, we're gonna mat up and Pushosaurus Rex. Why not? I don't see nothing over here, though, doubles. Do you? I don't see nothing over here. I'm going for it, though, bro. Yo, why am I lagging, doubles? Why am I lagging, doubles? Why? Why? Uh-oh, enemy. Where'd he go? Let's get into the golf cart. Let's get into the golf cart. We're gonna go golfing, doubles. Yo, does this thing move faster or no? No, right? It doesn't move any faster than this, right?
Power slide.
I don't know. I hate those golf carts. Oh my, doubles. Oh my. There's another balloon coming, bro. Wait, what's going on here? Somebody here, bro? Yep. There's people's here, doubles. This guy's gonna shoot me out of the air, you know that, right, bro? I gotta get away from these fellas, bro. I got problems, bro. I need heals, bro. Look at my health, bro. 3 health, dude.
3 health.
No bueno, no bueno, no bueno.
No bueno.
A jetpack, though. Why not? Why not?
Ish.
Come on, give me some vegetables, something, bro. Minerals, anything, bro.
There's vegetables. Vegetable.
Oh, vegetable. You gotta eat your vegetable. Why not? Eat your apple.
An apple a day keeps the
It's
doctor.
good. Uh-oh, we got somebody over here. We got somebody over here, doubles. I gotta go. I'm going. Moving. Moving. Doubles.
You got a mushroom.
I got a mushroom. I got the apple.
Banana.
Why not the banana? I like it.
Some morning.
It's a good fuel. I had a couple of mushroom in the morning.
Oh god, there's someone here.
Oh no!
You got barrels here.
Dude! Leave me alone! What is going on? Let's get a shit party! Let's shit. Oh, the sword, bro. Look. Oh! How do I get into this thing? No. I think there's somebody nearby, bro. Am I in?
Yeah, as soon as you get out,
Bro, I'm out of here, bro. Whoa, dude. What is going on? Everybody's coming after Coach, bro. Leave me alone. Nah. Oh my God, doubles. What the heck, bro? I don't know, man. This is no bueno, no bueno, no bueno.
everybody others is coming out.
Do you think it's a stream sniper?
I don't know.
Because if I find you sniping me, man, really? On a small stream like this? For real? For real, for real? Come on now. Oh, wait a minute. This is Slurpy Slurp, baby. I thought it was. No, maybe not.
If I find somebody near you specific, alright, then I know somebody shot it.
Yep, I saw that, bro.
I think that's
I don't know, bro. This is like getting a redonkulous, bro. Yo, somebody's stream sniping, bro. Yeah. Absolutely, they're chasing me, bro. That's crazy. That's diabolical, bro. That is diabolico. Diabolico. I'm getting out of here, bro. I really want them. Somebody's definitely stream sniping, bro, because they just kept chasing, bro.
And like some people was just firing at you over and over again.
Right. Yeah, absolutely. That's definitely like diabolical stuff right there.
Yeah, that's weird.
Couldn't be me. No, I know. Yo, check it out. I'm just gonna get myself into the zone, the auto zone. I'm getting myself into my zone, fellas. Ooh, I like that tumble, bro. That mechanics, though, right?
That is kind of nice.
I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty diabolical, yo. Ooh wee! Ooh wee! Ooh wee! Come on now, critters, where y'all at? Where y'all at, fellas? Where y'all at? Just because I don't want you to have it. Somebody's here, bro.
Start swinging on it.
I don't have any match, bro. Bada binga! Bada binga! Bada binga! What? 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 What do you want? What do you want? You want the coach? Come on, come and get me. Doubles. You didn't even take none of my juice from that.
I got yo juice.
I got your go-go juice, baby. Yeah. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, poker. Come on now. Don't let me loose, man. Don't let me loose, cause I'll do it. Oh my, look at that. I don't mind. I'll break the glass and everything. Fly, Pelican. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Ooh, enemy, right over here.
Get him. Get him. Get
I gotta find him, bro. Woohoo! 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 There's enemies nearby, bro.
yeah, there's one right there.
I know he's trying to snipe me. I will, bro. Whee! Bada bingo! You'll miss your bumala. Ooh-wee! Ooh-wee! Come on now. Who wants some? Who wants some? I know. I need some juicy juice, bro. Juicy, juicy. Come on, Lucy! Lucy! Bye-bye! Oh, I'm out of ammo? No. Why didn't you shoot?
Shoot the base of it.
What? What, bro? What, bro? What, bro? No, you know what? This is what I want. This is what I want. This is what I want. I'm gonna take care of business over here. Oh my, what the heck just happened? What is this, bro? Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my gracious, bro. I gotta get this, bro. Get some of this thing right here. Why not? Drink it. Drink it, because you need some. You need some of that right there. Oh my, doubles. Oh my. Yippee-ki. Yay, mofo. Oh, bada bingo. What happened here, bro? Where's he at, bruh? Where's he at, bruh? Bruh! Where you at, bruh? I know, he's underneath somewhere. I know. He's right there, bro. You know what? I'm not gonna give up height. He might be, right? So you know what we gotta do, right? Take the sword out just in case. Just in case he's trying to be fresh, you know? Oh, he's right there, bro. Bada bingo! Oh, I got no match, bro. Bro! Come on! I had no match, bro. I had no match. Time for some coffee and check out some stonks. Doubles! PMCB went and broke the resistance! The resistance! Let's go! PMCB breaks resistance, forms a cup and handle. You get to see it a little bit more with a 1 minute. 1 minute it's forming what could potentially be a cup and handleable pattern. Needs to break resistance now at this level right here. Let's get this line and move it up here. Right there is the new resistance point. Let's go! PMCB currently up 82%, $42, $42, $42. It's green on the scanner. Take a look at it. It's green on the scanner. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Green on the scanner. It is a 6 million float stock with 93 million in volume. Volume is being beneficial to it. Come on, break that resistance at $1.47. Break it, baby. Volume RSI is very extended, bro. Very extended, but we had that volume spike. It's expecting earnings in 12 days. And as far as news is concerned, we're going to go and check it out right now. Does it have any news, doubles? Any news for PMCB? Let's see what's going on. Let's see. What happened? Anything? Nothing else. No news. There was news way back on the 25th of November.
Yeah.
What was the news? What was it?
Let's see.
They were trading higher. Shares were trading higher after the company announced monetization of its stake in Femaya. Whatever that is. But anyway, that's the story. It's got to break $1.47 to be schmexy.
Yeah,
Some schmexiness. Why not? All right, PLRZ, let's go check it out. It was an inverted cup and handle. We weren't happy about that. PLRZ, let's check it out. Still an inverted cup and handle. We don't like that. It's below VWAP. No bueno. And it has sold off in the RSI. Oversold. It needs a volume love. It needs volume love. SMX, the expensive one. That's what I like to call it. SMX, the expensive one. It formed a double head and shoulders bear pattern. And we're hoping that it doesn't sell off, but it looks like it may very well be doing that. It's staying above the VWAP. It's staying above the VWAP. That's good. I like that, doubles. I like that. So we'll see what happens. Indecisiveness with the RSI. This stock was well over $100 just a little while ago. And you know, it's funny because I remember when it was like $30 like a couple of days ago, and people were like, is it going to make $60? And it made $60. And people were like, can it make $70? Can it make $80? Can it make $90? The thing went up 100 and change, right? Almost $120, right? Yeah, made $120. Crazy, 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 crazy. SMX. All right, public limited company, security matters. That's what SMX is. Okay, so let's take a look at QCLS. It had a bull pennant. Let's see what happened with it. QCLS, let's see what happened with it. All right, it broke out of the bull pennant ever so slightly, but it really just doesn't have volume, doubles. This is on a 1 minute chart. Let's put it on a 5 minute.
Yes.
Put it on a 5 minute, doubles.
5 minutes?
Let's get it on that 5 minute chart right there. We can see the RSI is trying to make it happen. We could see that it broke out of the pennant, but we need some more authority with this. So it needs some volume, love. But again, doubles. We got an hour and what do we have? No, we have 33 minutes before power hour, doubles.
33 minutes.
33 minutes. So we still got time, I tell you. We still got time. So we're going to keep simmering on this fella. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 700, 800. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. PMI. Let's go. PMI. No. Come on, 1P. PMI. Every time I do that, Picard Medical. Let's refresh. Let's refresh this. All right, so PMI kind of sort of has formed it was kind of forming a cup and handle, but now it's kind of forming a double top or a triple top. So this is kind of bearish. We could see that the RSI overheated and now it's kind of given up. And it's dipping quite a bit, so it's going to need to stabilize. A lot of red candles. Sellers clearly in control of PMI. Currently up 45%. PMI pulling back significantly. Heavily floated stock, 66 million, and the volume's only 26 million. So, for now. For now. ABLV. Let's go. ABLV. Trying to form a cup and handle, but it's sub VWAP, so it needs some volume love. Currently up 41%. It is an 18 million float stock and only 19 million in volume. So there's the rub, doubles. There's the rub-a-dub-dub, my friend. STAI. Right over here. Forming what appears to be a cup and handle type of a pattern. But again, this too, 57 million float, and only 24 million in volume. So there's just not enough volume pushing it up, propping it up, making it look schmexy, I tell you. PMCB, let's go check it out. PMCB, significant resistance at $1.47. It looks schmexy if it can break this level. It needs to break it. Doubles. Break it. It needs to break it. RSI overheating somewhat, but it's trying. So we'll keep an eye on this fella. What about QCLS? It was a pennant. Let's see what's going on with that one. QCLS. Doubles. It's trying, bro. Look. It's trying to break the resistance at $7.25. $7.25. So QCLS. I'm going to keep an eye on this one. I'm going to keep an eye on PCMB. Come on now. Is that wrong? PMCB, bro. Come on, man. Come on, PMCB. Come on, man. Come on. All right, so this fella right here, it looks like it's starting to make what could potentially be a cup and handle type of a shape. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated, doubles. Right over here. And come here, you. Right over here. And then right over there. That would be a bullish pattern. If it can break this resistance at $1.47, you could be quite schmexy, PMCB. You are currently up 81%. It is a 6 million float stock, and it's already had 95 million in volume. It's the second leading gainer behind PLRZ, but we know that PLRZ has given back a lot of its gains. Remember, PLRZ is a two-day runner. Runner, doubles. Can we get a share party? Can we get a share party? Can we get to 900? Can we get to 1,000? Can we get to 1,000? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go get a dub for you. I'm still trying to get a dub. I don't know. I got dubs off stream, but I can't seem to get dubs on stream. I don't know. Doubles. I don't know.
It'd be like that.
I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. And I'm also kind of thrown off because I was getting used to the hanging, what do they call that? Hanging 10 on the surfboard? That hanging 10 thing, you
I
know?
don't know what it's called.
They got rid of the surfboard. They got the bus going now. I don't know.
Bus. A battle bus.
What do you think happened? You think people complained about the surfboard thing?
No, it was more so like a transitional thing. Like the storyline basically was the bus got destroyed, so we kind of needed something else while the bus got fixed.
And it was surfboards.
People collected enough points. Enough
Oh, they were collecting the parts for the bus. That's what that was all about.
Yeah, it was a community thing.
Oh, so the community gathered all the parts to build the bus, and the bus got built. Oh, Oh, look, it's a weenie. It's a weenie. You don't. By the way, that brings me to a topic, ladies and gentlemen. This is really important. Okay, I gotta get this out of off my chest. I have to. Okay, look. We moved to Florida. All right. And I love Florida. It's got sunshine, it got the beach. It's beautiful, beautiful. You can work on your tan, all kinds of beautiful things. And then you go to Mickey D's and you order yourself a burger, and they put mustard on the burger. What are you doing? You don't put mustard on your burger. You put ketchup on your burger. You put ketchup. Your mustard goes on your weenie, not your burger. Come on now. Oh, wait a minute. What's going on here, bro? What? What happened? They're going between different things. Look at that. I guess they didn't get rid of it, bro. Yeah, mustard goes on your weenie, ladies and gentlemen. Not your burger. No. I'm going this way, bro. I mean, it's like sacrilegious to put mustard on your hamburger. Everybody knows it goes on a weenie. Not your burger. Put it on your weenie. Not your burger. Just saying. All right, doubles. I'm like transitioning over here. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go right here, bro. I'm just gonna get myself some weapons and start moving, bro. You feel me, doubles? No, I guess. You know, I don't know. You know, I don't know. All right, SMX 74%. Sniper, first weapon, perfect. Exactly what I need. Yeah, exactly what I don't need. Exactly what I don't need. Oh, shotgun. Whoop, whoop. Shotgun. Whoop, whoop. Shotgun. Ooh, a second set of shotguns. Oh my, I really need 2 sets of shotguns, doubles.
Yeah, I noticed.
Yes, of course I do. I know. I don't know where that's gonna take me. Okay, now we can cook. Half pot. Minis, okay. Minis. Mini. Not the most ideal loadout, but we'll take it. Up, shooting to the left. Whoop. Shooting to the left. PMCB, 74%. Cup and handle format. Form the cup and handle. Enemy right there, bro. Bruh. Right over there. Woo! Bada binga. I feel like I should take their loot. Ah! Where did that come from? Where'd that come from, bro? Where'd that come from, bro? Oh, right down here somewhere. Why you hiding, coward? Why you hiding, fella? Oh, right there. He's in the bush, bro. He's a bush. Oh, he's lucky that I don't have an impulse grenade, because I would go for him. You feel me, bro? Because he's annoying me. Yeah, definitely. He's pushing too. What's the matter, bro? What happened, bruh? What happened, bruh? You deserve a dance, my fellow. You deserve that, bro. I don't usually dance, but when I do, I am schmixing. I just figured I'd point that out. What a clown. What a clown show, I tell you. What a clown show, I tell you. Medkit, perfectamundo. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Perfectamundo. Medkit, medkit, medkit. Why not? Why not, I tell you? Why not? All right, let's get a share party. Share party. Oh, you still watching? You still watching, bro? Yo, here's some money for you. Go get a shirt. You need it, ya bum. Ya bum. What happened, bum? What a bum that guy was, huh? Scrub it up. I should have, like, no-scoped him, bro. That was annoying. That guy was annoying, bruh. Bruh. For real, for real. For real, for real. I'm just saying, bruh. Right? Wasn't he annoying, Doubles? I don't like him. I didn't like him. I don't like him. I don't like him, Doubles. I don't like him. I don't like it. I don't like it, bro. He was nasty to the coach. He was. He was, bro. He was just faulty, wrong, and error-ridden, bro. Error, failure, failure, fail. Wow, did you see? Look at that car, bro. That car is going bananas down there. I'm getting into zone, bro. You know, I don't have a lot of ammo. I'm just getting into zone, bro. I'm gonna loot up. You know what I mean? But I do hear some gunshots. I don't know. I get tempted, bro. I do get tempted, bro. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm gonna go get myself some loot. I'm gonna be a good boy. Doubles. I'm gonna behave. I'm gonna get some ammo, some shield, you know, stuff like that, bro. You know what I'm talking about, bro? Yeah, I'm gonna be a good boy. I'm gonna be a good boy. Oh yeah. Ooh, a jetpack. Why not? Why not? Perhaps we get a jetpack. Why not? Why not, Doubles? Why not? We could do that. We have that technology. We'll reload. Why not? Why not? Right, Doubles? We reload. 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 We got everything reloaded. We got ourselves a jetpack. How about what's in here? Anything? Nothing. Nothing, honey. Nothing, honey. What's over here? Anything? Nothing, honey. Nothing. Oh no! Storm, I tell ya! Let's get out of here. Let's skedaddle, Doubles. I still don't have a lot of ammo, bro. Man, everybody took all my loot, man. What's wrong with these fellas? What's wrong with them, bro? Give me some ammo, bro. Give me some ammo. Ooh, I should take this SMG. Why not? Why not? Why not? ¿Por qué no? ¿Por qué no? I can, right? I could do it, right? I could do it, right? I could do it, right? Why not? All right, where we going? Let's go this way. Oh, there's an enemy in the storm, bro. You see it?
Yeah.
What the heck is that? It's not moving, so maybe nobody fought it? Could it be? Let's check it out. Let's see what's going on over here. Ooh, impulse grenades. I like that, bro. I like me some impulses. Why not? Why not? Let's go, baby. Let's see what's going on here. Is this guy in the storm? What is going on? They gotta be in the storm, bro. Yep, they're in the storm, bro. Ooh, that half pot looks juicy, bro. I feel like I should take this, huh? I feel like I should take them out, right? Right? Why not? Worth it, bro. Oh no! What the heck? What is this? Oh, I need that, right? That's a reboot thing, right? You got any shield for me, bro? Come here, bro. You got any shield for me, bro? Nah, I don't know. Whatever. It don't matter. It don't matter, none.
Don't mean nothing. I drove for it.
Was it worth it, bro? I think it was worth it, right? This shotgun is like off the charts, bro. But I lost all my shield, though, you know? I don't know, bro. Let's get a share party. Let's get to, like, I don't know, 1,500, 2,000. PMC, B, cup and handle formation. Come on, break out, baby. We still got 18 minutes before power hour, folks. We still got some time going on. We got some time going on. Woo-wee. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I should reload, right, Doubles? I should reload. No? No. What's over here, bro? Anything here, bro? Anything for me? Anything for the coach? Mayonnaise? Half pot. Or not. How about that? We could use that. Why not? Ooh, I can take a little bit of this, right? Why not? Let's go, yeah, baby. Let's go, It was worth it, dude. I think the shotgun was worth it, bro. What do you think, Doubles? It was. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 1,100, folks. We're watching some of these tickers moving and grooving, baby. Let's go. Come on, half pot. Take care of the coach. Come on, half pot. Half pot. Let's go. Doubles, what do you think? Should I get it or what? Half pot. You ask and thou shalt receive, my friends. I'm telling you. You asked and you got it. There you go. Half pot for the coach. All right, SMX up 70%. Let's go. Why not? Woo-wee. Ooh, somebody's doing something around here. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know, Doubles. I don't know what's going on over here, fellas. I don't know. Oh my, you're mad. You're mad. Doubles. I think I should take some heals with me, bro. Not that, though. I'm gonna take some minis, bro. Ooh, impulse grenades. Yeah, I like those. I like it, I tell you. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do, Doubles. I'm gonna take these minis right here. Why not? And I'm gonna rock like that, my brother. Why not? Perhaps, baby. Perhaps we'll do it. Why not? Let's go this way. Let's get ourselves in a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Doubles. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Woo-wee. Oh, this is like San Francisco, bro. This area right here. Californiation. Ever see that show? That was pretty good, man. That was from the guy that was on, what was that called? X-Files? X-Files. Bushi? The Bishi? I don't know what his name was. I don't know. He was a good actor. I just can't remember his name. Dubilovich? Something like that, bro. What's his name? Khashoggi? Yeah, what you just said. That fella. That guy right there. Yeah, that guy right there. That fella. Doubles. Doubles. Pepe Le Pew. Ooh, look, there's a whip over here, bro. Finally a whip, bro. Come on now. They got me a whip. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Why not, Doubles? What kind of trouble can I get myself into, Doubles? All right, PMC. Move down a little bit. 68%. PMC. 68%. This is Bumpy over here. What's it called? What's this place called? Bumpy Bay. Oh my. Wow. I'm lagging, bro. I'm lagging in Bumpy Bay, bro. Oh, no? For real? Really? It's not going to let me do that? For real, bro? For real, bro? You going to be like that? You going to do me like that? doing me like that, bruh? Let's go. Ooh, some loot. Why not? Why not? I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it, I tell you. What is going on over here? What in tarnation is going on over here? What's going on, I tell you? There's like all this massacring over here. Oh, my. Oh, my goodness gracious. Ooh, look, a little slurpy slurp, bruh. That never hurt nobody. Why not? Why not, bruh? Why not, bruh? Why not? I'm just shopping, bruh. Because I got it like that. You got it like that? Let's go. Let's get to 1100. PLRZ trying to move. Somebody's shooting at me, brothers. And I just don't appreciate it, bruh. I just don't appreciate this at all. Oh, no gas, no gas, no benzini. No benzini. I need benzini. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go over here, grab some loot, and get the heck out of town, fellas. Why not? Why not? I got to get myself into zone, bro. Right over here. Let's get into zone. Doubles. Let's go. Oh, my. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Bye-bye. Oralo, mararaka. Mararaka. Oralo. Ooh, I got hit. I hit my head, doubles. I hit my head. Ooh, I'm fully loaded with mats, bro. What do I need? I don't need nothing, bro. Nothing, honey. I'm good, bro. I'm good, bro. I got some decent loot. Now I just need to make sure no stream snipers try to mess with me. I don't like that, doubles. Right?
That was very
That was I don't know. If it wasn't a stream sniper, bro, it sure as heck felt like it. I tell you that much, bro. All right. Ooh, dude, I feel like I should stay here because there's like a campfire. Why not? I know, but it's like, come on now. Come on, fella. Come on, fella. What's wrong with you? Why are you doing me like that, fella? Oh, my. Oh, my. Perhaps. I did all this for nothing, bro. Seriously, bro? Seriously, bro? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Sometimes I wish the zone didn't move, bro. I'm not gonna lie. You feel me, doubles?
I do.
Sometimes. Not all the time, but sometimes, you know? I don't know if I like this POI, this area. All right, it's 3 people, right? Doubles, how many? 3?
It's 5.
5 people.
You have 3 people.
Might as well get my wood. I got my wood, doubles. I got my... Wow, look at this thing, bro. This thing's got like 1,000, 2,000. What is this, a redwood? That's... I've been called redwood. Be quiet, doubles. Be quiet, doubles. Come on now. Stop hating on the coach, man. Let's go. Come on, doubles. I don't know. I'm having fun, doubles. Come on. Come on, doubles. You gotta have some fun every now and then, fella. How funny would it be if I got sniped right now, bro? That would be really bad. That would be horrible, bro. I know, but you know I'm being a little anal with this wood, right? Doubles! Stop it, bro. Oh, there's a car over here. Bye-bye! Toodaloo! Why not? Why not? Why not, doubles? Why not? How many people are left, bro? I can't make this out. Somebody's landing, bro. Somebody just landed nearby. Right there. I see him right there. See him? Come on, fella. Come on, fella. He's shooting below. There's somebody above me, bro. I'm like smack in the middle, bro. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I need these two to start rumbling a little bit. Or not. I got tagged, bro. I got myself tagged, son. Come on, bro. Stop hating, bro. Bro, come on, man. Come on, fella. Leave me alone, bro. I ain't messing with y'all. I didn't even mess with him, bro. Doubles.
Yeah.
We need a share party.
Share party. SMX going back up there.
Woo, woo. Ooh-wee, doubles. Ooh-wee, doubles. Let's get that share party. PMI moving up 53%. QCLS. That's the one with the pennant, bro. Woo-wee. All right. Let's go, baby. Oh, my, bro. Jetpack right here. Jetpack. What is that? 9, 10, 10, 10. Oh, my. Doubles. Oh, my. Oh, my. Oh, mio, bro. Why is... Oh, he's got the revive, right? Oh! Bada bing! For the indelible tribe. Let's go. I laugh at you. Ha! Goonie goo goo. Goonie goo goo, baby. That's how we do it for the indelible tribe, baby. Dedicated to y'all. Thank you for all your support. Bro, he was trying to revive himself, bro. Did you catch that?
Yeah, I saw that.
That little scoundrel. Yo, that went perfect. You know, I'm telling you, that might have been a stream sniper, bro. Yeah. It might have been, bro. Because he just kept on thirsting and thirsting and thirsting. Yeah, that was like, that's nasty. That's some nasty stuff right there. Let's go check out what's going on with these stonks. Let's take a look at SMX, see what it's doing, see if it's doing a round 2. We are now in power hour. Look at that. It doubles. It broke out, bro. Bro. Oh, my goodness gracious. Why is it doing that? Stop that. Stop it. Stop it.
This is not Microsoft Paint.
Bro, leave me alone. I'm just... Come on. Come on. What are you doing? Come on. I'm going to clear everything. Boom. All right, so now this looks like a cup and handle, bro. Cup and handle. Get that pencil out. Graffiti pencil activated. La cup, la handle.
La handle.
The cup, la handle, right?
Handle.
So maybe this fella keeps going. Currently $116. The previous high was around $1.19-ish right there. So let's see if it keeps going. SMX, expensive stock, but notable. PLRZ PLRZ, big runner for 2 days, but it double topped and it hasn't recovered yet. We are 4 minutes before power hour. Let's see what happens with it. PMI. It too has formed what appears to be a potential cup and handle. Let's go get that graffiti pencil activated. Right over there. 1 and 2, right? So that's what it could be, but it could also be a double top. But right now we're going into power hour, so I'm going to be positive and say cup and handle, bull pattern, hopefully. That's what we're hoping for. QCLS had formed a pennant. We did the pennant drawing about an hour ago. Let's see if it simmered and broke out. Doubles! It simmered and it broke out. And it's got the resistance right at the Fibonacci at around $7.25. It's going to need some volume, but here's the good news. Doubles 3 minutes before power hour. Power hour. So we got to keep an eye on this fella, I tell you. ABLV.
SMX hit 100%.
100%. That's an expansive 100%. But it was up even higher than that earlier, doubles. You know that? Yeah. ABLV, cup and handle formation below VWAP, needs to break the VWAP. Let's see what happens. ANAP, low volume. ANAP, 104,000. It's a low floater at 2 million shares, but the volume is just not there. Let's check it out. And it too formed a cup and handle, but on very low volume, so not to be trusted without volume. We have HYNE, which is a IPO today. Very choppy, but it too has formed a cup and handle type of a pattern. But I don't know. It needs a volume love, currently up 35%. Okay, LL Cool J. It is a 4 million volume stock, expensive $45, trending on up. It's an ETF, so we'll see what's going on with it. SMX one more time. SMX, cup and handle, trying to break out. PMCB, cup and handle failed. Looks like it's a double top. That's sad. Sadness. PMI, cup and handle. QCLS, bull pennant. Resistance at 7 1/4. That's the show, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. We're also on Twitter, aka x.com, at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And of course, we're also on Twitch live streaming at Coach Nick Money. And of course, in addition to that, doubles, we're also on TikTok at DBL Nicks. At DBLNICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And of course, we invite you to come and join us on our Discord server with a 4-day trial for simply $9.99. You'll have not only access to an amazing community and us helping you out on your stock trading journey, but you'll also have all the wonderful tools, including the market mover scanner that you see on the screen that we're sharing from the Discord right now with you. In addition to that, the breakout scanner that monitors for parabolic moves from potential stocks. That's also available for you, and all the search features pertaining to the news, the volume, the float, the press releases, and much, much more. And then, of course, the early watch list that we put out at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time during after hours for the next day. That is always a crowd favorite. We almost always have something that is parabolic the next day from that particular early watch list. For example, PLRZ was called yesterday in the early watch list, and it did go parabolic early this morning. That was just one of several stocks that moved from the early watch list. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is the show. We call y'all indelibles because we want you to leave your mark. We want you to basically achieve all your goals, aspirations, and dreams, and be inspirational for others because you're indelibles. Leave your mark. Make it unerasable. You are indelibles. We love you. You guys are amazing. You make all these shows possible, and we want to thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. It's Coach Nick Money. DBL Nicks in the house. And, of course, the Serengeti Specialist isn't here, but she feels the same way. We're out of here. Have a blessed day. God bless you.